Good catch, Danny.
I think those guys are starting like totally no, but I think those guys are starting like
Because it covers everything.
You alright?
Yep.
Look at the monkey.
I'm running out of things to wipe it with.
Oh, we have tons of wipes.
Yeah, we've wiped.
Did you see the lady?
She's like, oh, people over there?
Are you waving?
Good waves.
Would you like white wheat or rice toast with that?
Okay.
Didn't like the egg, okay.
Seafood.
How old is she now?
She'll be 9 months next week. So when we come in next week, she'll be 9 months old.
Where's the lady?
Look at her looking up.
I know.
There she is.
Hey, Trisha. Trisha. She's looking for a monkey.
So I was thinking we go into like Uncle Marcus or something.
Right now?
No.
For dinner?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something like that? Or... Hi. I mean, we could try to go out to Jiminy Peak. But...